Hey, YouTube, let's do Miracles by Alex G. That's the verse. A, G, B minor, D. Play it all in the open position if you want. A, that little walk up is just you're on the B already from that B minor chord. Then you play A string at the 4, and then you play open D. And go into your D chord. A, G, B minor, D. That repeats, and then there's a little break. It starts on E. So, and then that break is E, playing open, B minor, D, right back to E. Guess this is the chorus. And then to get out of the chorus and transition back into the verse, it then goes back to E, and then it goes to A, right back into from the E, it goes back into the verse progression. And I think that's it. That's the whole song. So thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.